This video will guide you through reviewing a content creator agreement. Content Creator Agreement Review is a frequently requested service on the Contracts Council platform, since creators and clients want to understand the terms before signing. If you have received a Content Creator Agreement and need to review it, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We have also provided more information in the description, including how to find a lawyer. We will cover top considerations when reviewing a content creator agreement, key terms to find and understand in your agreement, costs to hire a lawyer for review. We have also added a link in the description below with information on legal fees. Now let's get started. Top considerations for content creator agreements. Content creator agreements are legally binding documents that outline the terms and conditions for creating content for a client or brand. Before diving into specific terms, here are some top considerations to keep in mind. Scope of work. Clearly define the scope of work, including the type of content to be created, like videos, articles, and social media posts. Also include details on deadlines and deliverables. Compensation. The agreement should detail how and when the creator will be paid, including any bonuses or additional compensation for extra work. Ownership and licensing. Determine who owns the content created and any limitations on its use. Understand whether the client is getting full ownership or a license to use the content. Compliance with laws. Ensure the agreement complies with relevant intellectual property laws, FTC guidelines for sponsored content, and any other regulations. And consider hiring a lawyer. It is always recommended to hire a lawyer to help review a content creator agreement. They can ensure the document is legally compliant, help you understand industry standard terms, and coach you on negotiations. We have included a link in the description to help you find one. Key terms to understand. Content creator agreements contain many important terms that you should understand. Here are some key terms to look for. 1. Parties involved. Ensure that the names and details of both the content creator and the client are correctly stated. Make sure the full legal names of the entities or individuals are used. 2. Scope of work. Review the section that specifies what content will be created, including deadlines and deliverables. Ensure it matches your discussions and expectations. 3. Compensation. Check the payment terms, including the amount, payment schedule, and any additional compensation for revisions or extra work. 4. Ownership and usage rights. Understand whether the content creator retains ownership of the content or transfers it to the client. Look for any licensing terms that allow the client to use the content. 5. Revisions and approvals. Review the process for content revisions and approvals, including how many rounds of revisions are included and any associated costs. 6. Confidentiality. Ensure there are clauses that protect confidential information shared during the content creation process. 7. Termination. Understand the conditions under which either party can terminate the agreement, including any notice periods and penalties for early termination. And 8. Dispute. Resolution. Review the methods for resolving disputes related to the agreement, such as mediation, arbitration, or court litigation. Average costs to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer to review your content creator agreement is advisable. Contracts Council's marketplace allows you to post your project and receive competitive bids from lawyers to compare. Based on recent data, the average cost to review a content creator agreement is $350 on a flat fee basis. This is based on 50 recent projects from across various U.S. states. Legal fees can vary based on the following factors. State or location. Lawyer fees may vary based on where they are located. For example, a lawyer in New York City will likely have a higher rate than a lawyer in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Length of contract. Given lawyers traditionally bill by the hour, a longer contract with more pages will require more of their time, which can make the legal costs higher. Complexity of terms. If there are complicated terms in the agreement, it can increase legal fees since it will require the lawyer to spend more time working on the project. Service required. You can hire lawyers for different services. If you simply need the contract reviewed and explained, this will be a lower fee than also needing the contract redlined and negotiated. Reviewing a content creator agreement is crucial in ensuring you protect your rights and establish a successful working relationship with your client. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Counsel or visit contractscounsel.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.